salam, and hello. It's been a while, and alhamdulillah, I'm back. Please subscribe this channel, Hanne Idris, and like and share too my videos. Now let's get started. Okay? Let's talk about there, and there. Sounds the same, but they differ in meaning. Okay, there is an adverb which means in or at that place. An example is stand over there. Stand over there. Okay. The next word is there. It's a contraction, no, of two words actually, they and are. There. Okay. An example is they're coming or they are coming. Okay? They're coming. The two words they and are contracted. Okay? Ginawang isa. Next word is there. It's an adjective which means of or relating to them or themselves, especially as possessors, agents, or objects of an action. Okay? Their furniture. Okay? Furniture nila. No? Ganun lang yon kadali. Okay? I hope you don't confuse yourselves. Let's look at them in another way. Okay? There, in, at, or to that place. Example, could you put the books there, please? Okay. There. They are, no? Short form of they are. They're reading a book. They are reading a book. Another one, their, determiner belonging to them, no? What color is their car? Okay, anong kulay ng kotse nila? Alright. So, ganun lang kadali, no? Please like and subscribe. Then, we can have a short quiz, no? Choose from there, and there. Okay, I guess it's done. No, easy lang siya. Now, let's talk about the answers. Number 1, there are people waiting outside. Okay, so it's a place, no? There. Number 2, suddenly there was a loud bang. No, there ulit. Okay, ibig sabihin may bang daw doon, somewhere there, no? Number 3, if anyone calls, ask for their number. Okay, kaninong number? Their number. So, it points doon sa tao, no? Now, number 4, there goes their train. Dito, dalawang sagot, place and persons, no? There, doon, at saka nila, train nila. Number 5, where is the ball? Oh, there it is. So, there ulit, it's a place. Number 6, they're being served. ito yung contracted form, no? They are being served. Number 7, there you are. Your mother has been looking for you everywhere. Okay. Number 8, I don't know where they're going. Okay, ibig sabihin, they are going, no? Tao pa rin yun. 9, there was once a little girl who was very poor. There was once a little girl, no? Meron daw isang batang babae na napaka-poor. Number 10, they're reading their books over there. The best itong number 10, no? Kasi nandoon lahat. They're reading their books over there. Nagbabasa sila ng kanilang libro doon. Okay. So I hope you got all the answers correctly. And thank you for watching. Until my next video. Salam!